You're publishing with WordPress, but communicating with Slack. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, the moment you publish a new WordPress post, notify your team in Slack instantly. Or, when new comments appear on your WordPress site, alert your support team via Slack. Or even, send a Slack message to your team anytime a new page in WordPress is published. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between WordPress and Slack, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.